Alright, just removed the old exhaust, and I've got a used one I picked up where a bloke had upgraded his exhaust system and he still had like the stock one. So I picked that up. It's all in pretty good shape. The old one, however, was broken off there, rusted through the muffler, all bashed in there, and of course when the car got hit from behind it squished it up as well. And it goes through there, and then this just completely fell out when I was taking it off, so it's all loose as well. So that's where I'm up to at the moment, and we'll bolt this used one on. Look what the pigeons have done. Filthy things. Ugh. Oh, it's going to be fun to clean off. Okay, the exhaust system's on. Now I'm going to attempt to wash this car. It is absolutely filthy. Pigeon poo all over it. Thick layer of dust. I don't like my chances, but we'll see what happens.